that? What the hell is that? Look at So we got something very excited for the E30 today. Well, actually not today, but it starts today. First, we got to see. What is that? Stay away from that guy. Anyways, got something very exciting that's gonna happen for the E30 hopefully, but we gotta get it to run first before we can get to the cool stuff. So I went ahead and bought some necessary stuff that was pretty bad in the engine bay, and hopefully after we do that, then we can get it to run. And then I get to drive it, right? Right?
It's got no brakes, so.
They got an e-brake.
Okay.
That's all that matters.
True Jay-Z.
Yeah. All right, we get it. This is trash down here. I know we did a quick walk around months ago, kind of showed you some of this stuff briefly, but the more you look in the engine bay, the more stuff you find that has issues.
Yeah.
Yeah, everything looks pretty bad in here. Ideally, I'd want to clean all of this up and get rid of this very slow engine and swap it with a better BMW engine, which is probably what's going to happen. But we're going to try to get this car to run first so I can at least drive it before I get rid of the engine. Can you show us what the wires look like? I don't even know how that happens. How does that even happen?
They've been touching the manifold, and yeah, this is the bad one.
Yeah, see? That looks like trash.
Smells like old paint in here.
Somehow with these wires, we were able to start the car and actually drive it. I think we drove it a total of 2 or 3 times from the outside inside of the shop. The exhaust was smoking like crazy, which is not a good thing. But we were able to start it. It was probably like running on 1 cylinder. We don't even know what the spark plugs look like. So I bought these items right here. Bought the cheap versions of them because I just wanted to see if I can get the car to start. So here's the wire set. The intake boot, which interestingly, check out the intake boot that's on there. This is not supposed to be the one for this car, which is why the PSI guys, they ended up plugging this up with a bolt. The one that goes to this car does not have this extra outlet right here. It just has this side, and this area right here, but not this. So I went ahead and bought a new one, the proper one for this car. Got a fresh set of Bosch spark plugs as well. All right, this one is empty. Oh, okay, it's in here. It came out. Anyways, spark plugs, and that's it. Hopefully we can get the car to start and run this way. Fingers crossed. Ali went ahead and plugged in the battery charger. Weird enough, this is a brand new battery that I purchased, but every time I come to PSI, the car's dead because it has an alarm system that's continuously just draining the battery out the car, which I'm gonna have to disconnect or get rid of it because it's unreal. We get the battery completely fully charged within 1 day. The battery's already dead because of the alarm system that's already installed to the car, which doesn't even work. All right, by the way, if you guys haven't got one of these shirts yet, Vehicle Virals with the BMW up front, I released less than 100 of them. I already sold quite a few. If you guys want to get yours, hurry up and get that. I'll leave a link down in the description below. Ali actually bought one, so I think you guys should buy one as well.
Here it is.
Yeah, there it is. It's right there. This looks very, very nasty, very dirty. I think it'd be a pretty cool video if I did like an engine bay clean, especially on something that's this bad. But I'll probably do that when I get rid of this motor right here. Here's the thing. By now, you guys already know that I'm looking to get rid of the stock motor and upgrade, but we're doing one thing before we swap out the motor. Surprisingly enough, the hood actually still stays up after 31 years. These typically give out pretty fast if not taken care of or maintained, but it stays open.
Yeah, we're gonna do a delete real quick right now.
Oh, that was quick and easy, huh? That's the thing about old cars. You can delete everything real quick and real easy. It's not complicated. It's not complicated at all. Yeah.
Did it come with a pulse wire?
Yeah, I went with the cheap version.
Okay.
Yeah?
It did.
OEM was like 300 bucks. This one was 100 bucks.
Who needs OEM?
Nah, we don't do OEM over here. Especially if I'm gonna get rid of the engine. Why even bother? Just wanna see if it turns on and stays on.
Oh, that one wasn't even plugged in. Cool.
Oh, really?
Sick. And this spark plug is like sticking out more than the other ones.
Can I see?
Oh.
Yeah, so they're all in there. But this one's completely sticking out.
That one. 2 of them are sticking out further.
This car definitely has some questionable things going on. Like, the one thing I don't understand is why are there so many loose fuses everywhere here? Not only do fuses go here, but they use it as a compartment to store extra ones. And they're not bad neither. They're intact. They're not blown. Look at that. We still got the OEM fuse pooler here. It's got to be worth some money, right? Oh.
That looks different. There's like a...
It's broken?
Oh, there's like a sleeve in there. What
the hell? Sleeve in where?
Inside the head.
There is a sleeve in there. I can't even show you guys. Let me see if I can brighten up the exposure here. Well, I can't really show you guys, but there's a sleeve in there, which probably explains why the spark plug was sticking out there, which is very weird. Yeah.
Okay, there's something in there.
Well, let's see what it is. What is that?
This is an O2 spacer. Why is there an oxygen sensor inside of a sensor spacer inside of a head?
But the question is, if that's going on there, then that's what's going on this side too.
Yeah, so they put it like this. So now it's like it's firing in there instead of firing over here. It's one way to do it.
But I'm sure there's a purpose behind it, maybe. Oh yeah, definitely a race car. I mean, there is a skid pad in the bottom of the car. Ooh. Oh. Oh. looks like queso.
Queso?
Yeah. Listen, I'm surprised the car even turned on the first time we tried it. So yeah, boys and girls, spark plugs are not supposed to look anything like that. It should look more like this.
What are you talking about? It's supposed to look like this. That one won't come out.
The one at the end? The spacer?
No, this one.
Oh.
It's like something is blocking it. Oh, that's why. There's like a squirrel's nest going on in there.
Looks like a dead spider's in there. It's looking very freaking nasty in there. Well, this side's clean. This side's really bad. Yeah. Come on, for good old times. You know what I'm talking about.
Watch your face.
Oh, God. That was a shark.
Okay, we got the squirrels out.
Oh my God, I didn't think you could take it worse. That was worse than the other one. These don't come pre-gapped, do they?
You want me to gap them? Close the gap all the way so you can blow it up real quick?
Yeah, no, we're trying to drive the car, not blow it up. Well, technically...
Technically, we don't know what's going to happen after this.
Yeah.
First start. It might go... Kaboom. All these are black and one is blue.
Oh God. They gave me a reject plug. Hold on, is that Bosch too?
Bosch R6 and these are Super Plus. Whatever that means.
I got ripped. I got ripped, boy. By the way, guys, I did buy all these parts on ACS Tuning, and if you do want to help support the channel, I will leave a link to their website in the description box. Pretty much any part you buy from that website using my link, I do make a small commission. It does help support my channel and my BMW builds.
And here's my Cash App. PayPal, Cash App, Venmo, whichever one you want. Helps to build my car. By the way, I don't give a shit about torque right now, okay? Oh my God! He's not using torque spec! Installed.
Now try to start the car.
Hi. How you doing? I film you. Ooh. Look at that footage. Ooh.
In Russia.
Camera shoot you, not you shoot camera. That's how we do it in Russia.
Oh, sweet. Shoot me in the face with that one.
In Russia, E30 drive you. You don't drive E30.
Look how easy it is to work on E30s, boy. Very simple.
335, you would have been dropping motor by now.
Yeah.
We'll take a E46 over a 335 any day.
E46 over 335i?
Yep.
Damn. Bro, don't say that, man. I got some hostile subscribers.
That's okay.
Sheesh.
Let me know when your car fails.
Well, I'm not worried about it, because you're the one fixing it anyways.
Exactly. I'd rather drive an E46 than an E90.
Really? I thought you liked the N54 engine.
I do. I don't like fixing it.
And that's probably, is that the most common engine you work on over here?
I guess an N54 and
N55?
55, and since the new M3 is going to come out next year, the S55s are a thing now.
Oh, so S55, well, because of the price drops?
Yeah, because everybody has M3s now. F80s, F82, F83.
Yeah. Yeah, this is the time to buy those.
30K.
Yeah, but that's one of the cars that I'm looking to buy. It's one of the options. That one or the F10 M5. I think it's between those two.
Pitch your boy up. Make 750 to the wheels.
On the M3. Stock internals.
Yes.
I like that.
Yes.
Ooh, that snug fit though. Okay. That works. Or not. Oh yeah. Engine's one step closer to looking like brand new. Showroom material, man. All you have to do is change the intake loop. Spark plugs and wires, and boom, there you go. Bring it to SEMA.
Now we got that cold air intake. Is it gonna start or what?
Moment of truth, huh? Ah, not enough voltage. No. The question is it gonna start and is it gonna run correctly? I mean, it started before, but it was very, very jumpy and very unstable. It wasn't good. So let's see if we can get it to run so I can drive the car. So essentially we're pulling the E30 back outside because it's probably gonna smoke very bad. And you know, we've still got young lives. We don't want to die yet. Sounds like a reggaeton song. Oh God.
Yeah, it runs, man.
Yeah. How does it smell back there?
The dining exhaust.
What do you think that smoke is from? A bad engine?
I don't know.
Gotta find out.
It's coming out of the headers. Yeah, the seal.
Why does this look? It's freaking bent. There's no airflow in there. That's why I wasn't started. It's literally creased in the middle.
Well, I'm gonna go drive it and see how it is.
All right, let me know.
Sick.
Bro, this engine's gonna go bye-bye. My God. Yeah, I don't think that engine's gonna last very long at all. What the hell is that? Look at Yo, what the hell is that? Oh my God. Oh, look at that. Another E30 just made it. Oh my God.
It looks like crazy.
What? Save the engine at least for the next video. Sheesh. Let's save the engine. Come on. Oh, bro, what was that? What was that?
Look, we have a new turd. Crazy.
It runs okay?
But it smokes like crazy.
It cut off on you over there, right?
No.
Oh, okay.
I just stopped because I saw him.
So based on what I just saw, I don't think I'm going to be able to drive it today. Because I need to save this car for the next video. Because we're going to do something very, very interesting. Actually, Let me show you what I'm gonna do next video. You want to show them a little teaser? What's gonna happen on the next episode
Yeah, I'll be back.
of the E30?
I'll be back.
All right. I've teased it in the past a few times, and I kind of forgot about it and never did it because of what was going on with the pandemic. But it's time to use the thing that I once bought, and you guys had no idea which car I was gonna use it on. What you got there?
Some boost juice.
Oh yeah, so that's,
We're boosting this bike.
well, yeah. That's gonna go on that. That's right, that on that. That on that. It's happening.
Yeah, it's definitely gonna go up.
Well, it might take it like a champ. We never know.
Installed.
Yeah, so I think you guys are gonna want to watch the next E30 episode. So make sure to subscribe. I heard Rod knock.
Yeah, that's definitely not.
Huh?
That's definitely not.
Yeah, when you turn it on. Hey.
But it'll make it.
All right, better make it, because then it's a waste of a video.